Hey guys, in this tutorial I just want to show you how I made this first glitch effect inside the Premiere Pro. Stick around. Yes guys, as you see here, this is my clip, and then I'm going to duplicate by holding Alt on your keyboard and then move one clip up. So now click on this second clip guys, and then come here on opacity. I'm going to mask my face, but come here on the beginning of this clip. I just want to mask the face only guys, okay? Let me mask the face only. And then I'm going to use this mask path for adding keyframe, and then I just want to follow where my face is going on, okay? So now come here on the beginning of this clip and then click here to add keyframe on this mask path, okay? So now click here again on this mask one. So now I just want to follow my face by using keyframe. Already guys, you see here the one keyframe is already added. So now I just want to follow my face. Let me do it fast as possible. Yes guys, I'm done. So now I finished to track my face, where my face is going on, okay? So now when I mute this first clip, this is how my second clip is. So now the things I'm gonna do, I'm going to mask, to add some mask feather on this clip, just like this guys, okay? I click here on it and then I add some mask feather for smooth these edges, okay? So now after this, let me open up this second clip. So now after this, then click again on this top clip, go here on effect, so search the effect called echo. This echo here on time, then drag this effect and then drop it here on this clip. Guys, you see how my echo effect is. So now come here on this echo effect settings. I'm going to use this echo time and then end this number of echoes. So now I have to add the keyframe here, so I can jump like 3 or 4 frames, 1 2 3 4, okay? And then here on this number of echoes I can add 2, and then here I can add minus so let me add 1. Yes, let me add 0.1. So now let me extend here, and I just want to copy these first 2 frames, and by holding Alt on your keyboard, then let me move it here, and then let me duplicate this second one by holding Alt on your keyboard, then let me move just here guys, okay? So when I play guys, this is how it is. I can jump another few frames and then select it all, and I copy that, then I move just like here guys, okay? So let me play and let me see how it is. Yeah guys, this is cool. You can add this effect for all whole clip guys, okay? Just like this, okay? So when I play, this is how my effect looks like, okay? This is pretty dope guys. Guys, if you like my effect, please don't forget to subscribe and leave the comment down below and let me know what you think. Like, share, and what. See you next video. Bye. Peace.